Welcome to this transformative tutorial on time management and productivity. We will explore two powerful concepts: the time blocking technique and strategies to master your time. Time is our most valuable resource, yet it's often wasted due to distractions and poor planning. This tutorial aims to equip you with practical tools to take full control of your schedule, maximize focus, and achieve both personal and professional goals. We'll start by exploring time blocking, a proven method for organizing your day by dedicating specific time slots to tasks. This approach enhances concentration, reduces multitasking, and ensures you prioritize what truly matters. Next, we'll dive into strategies to master your time, including the Eisenhower Matrix and the 80/20 rule, which help identify high-impact tasks and eliminate inefficiencies. You'll also learn to integrate techniques like task batching and the Pomodoro method into your routine to boost productivity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear framework for managing your time effectively, creating a balanced lifestyle, and unlocking your full potential. Let's begin this journey toward mastering your time and living a more fulfilling, productive life.